These pumpkins aren't just for decoration. I also like to eat them. Here's how. I cut into the tops like you would a jack-o'-lantern, cutting all around the top and making a lid from the stem. There's no need to remove the guts. They will add flavor to the pumpkin and help keep it moist. Then I take a baking sheet, lay down a sheet of parchment, and place the whole pumpkins on it. Water is added to the pan to help with the cooking process. Then they get baked in the oven at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. You can adjust the time and temperature as you see fit for your oven. After they're cooked, it's time to remove the seeds. These seeds are one of my favorite parts to eat, as I will show you later, so I'll set them aside in a bowl for now. You can flavor your pumpkins any way you like, but today I want to enjoy just the pure flavor of the pumpkin, so I choose to add just a little butter. After all, everything tastes better with butter on it. I also add some salt to further enhance the flavor. The pumpkin bowl can be served just like that. The insides are soft, so they can be easily scraped into the spoon. Any remaining seeds can be eaten along with the soft flesh of the pumpkin. I then add some salt to the collected seeds and place them into the same pan, spreading them around evenly. They'll be roasted at high temperature for only 5 to 7 minutes, stirring them halfway through the process. These roasted seeds make a delectable snack. Any uneaten pumpkins can be easily stored away in the refrigerator in their natural wrapping to be used later in other dishes. Thanks for watching.